day and welcome to another amazing episode on Health Zone, and today we are going to talk about the 7 proven health benefits of ginseng. Yes, I know you've seen ginseng a lot and you've heard a lot about it, but today I'm going to bring you the nutritional facts, the benefits, the uses, and all that you can do just to have the good outcome of ginseng. Let's go for a quick break. We'll be right back.
Perfect Living TV above and beyond.
Welcome back from that short break. Now, the 7 proven health benefits of ginseng. Ginseng has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries. This slow-growing short plant with fleshy roots can be classified in 3 ways, depending on how long it is grown: fresh, white, or red. That is the 3 types of ginseng that we have. Fresh ginseng is harvested before 4 years, while white ginseng is harvested between the ages of 4 and 6 years, and red ginseng is harvested after 6 years or more. There are many types of this herb, but the most popular are American ginseng, which is the Panax quinquefolios, and Asian ginseng, which is also the Panax ginseng. American and Asian ginseng vary in their concentration of active compounds and effect on the body. It is believed that American ginseng works as a relaxing agent, whilst the Asian variety has an invigorating effect. Ginseng contains 2 significant compounds, the ginsenosides and the gintonin. These compounds complement one another to provide all the health benefits that you need. Now, here are the 7 evidence-based health benefits of ginseng. Number 1, potent antioxidant that reduces inflammation. Ginseng has beneficial antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Some test tube studies have shown that ginseng extracts and ginsenosides compounds could inhibit inflammation and increase antioxidant capacity in cells. For example, one test tube study found that Korean red ginseng extract reduced inflammation and improved antioxidant activity in skin cells from people with eczema. Researchers also concluded that red ginseng may help reduce oxidative stress by increasing antioxidant enzyme activities. Now let's move on to number 2. Benefits brain function. Ginseng could help improve brain function like memory, behavior, and mood. Some test tube and animal studies show that components in ginseng like ginsenosides and compound K could protect the brain against damage caused by free radicals. It is possible that ginseng assisted the uptake of blood sugar by cells, which could have enhanced performance and reduced mental fatigue. Yet, it is not clear why the lower dose was more effective than the higher one. So in summary, ginseng has been shown to benefit mental functions, feelings of calmness, and mood in both healthy people and those with Alzheimer's disease. Number 3, could improve erectile dysfunction. Research has shown that ginseng may be a useful alternative for the treatment of erectile dysfunction. It seems that compounds in it may protect against oxidative stress in blood vessels and tissues in the penis and help restore normal function. So in summary, ginseng may improve symptoms of erectile dysfunction by increasing oxidative stress in tissues and enhancing blood flow in the penile muscles. Number 4, boost the immune system. Ginseng may strengthen the immune system. Some studies exploring its effects on the immune system has focused on cancer patients undergoing surgery or chemotherapy treatment. Interestingly, these people had significant improvement in immune function and a lower recurrence of symptoms. It seems that ginseng extract could enhance the effect of vaccinations against disease like influenza as well. Now, in summary, ginseng may strengthen the immune system in people with cancer and even enhance the effect of certain vaccinations. Number 5, have potential benefits against cancer. Ginseng may also be helpful in reducing the risk of certain cancers. Ginsenosides in this herb have been shown to help reduce inflammation and provide antioxidant protection. The cell cycle is the process by which cells normally grow and divide. So the ginsenosides could benefit this cycle by preventing abnormal cell production and growth. So the ginsenosides in ginseng seem to regulate inflammation, provide antioxidant protection, and maintain the health of cells, which could help decrease the risk of certain kinds of cancer. Nevertheless, more research is needed. Number 6, fight tiredness and increase energy levels. Ginseng has been shown to help fight fatigue and promote energy. Various animal studies have linked some components in ginseng like polythyroides and oligopeptides with lower oxidative stress and higher energy production in cells, which could help fight fatigue. Now, ginseng may help fight fatigue and enhance physical activity by lowering oxidative damage and increasing energy production in your cells. Number 7, lower blood sugar. Ginseng seems to be beneficial in the control of blood glucose in people both with and without diabetes. American and Asian ginseng have been shown to improve pancreatic cell function, boost insulin production, and enhance the uptake of blood sugar in tissues. It seems that fermented red ginseng could be even more effective at blood sugar control. Fermented ginseng is produced with the help of live bacteria that transform the ginsenosides into a more easily absorbed and potent form. So in summary, ginseng, particularly fermented red ginseng, may help increase insulin production, enhance the blood sugar uptake in cells, and provide antioxidant protection. Now, it's easy to add to your diet. Ginseng roots can be consumed in many ways. It can be eaten raw, or you can lightly steam it to soften it. It can also be stewed in water to make a tea. To do this, just add hot water to freshly sliced ginseng and let it steep for several minutes. Ginseng can be added to various recipes like soups and stir fries too, and the extract can be found in powder, in tablet form, in capsule, and even in oil forms. Now, how much you should take depends on the condition you want to improve. Overall daily dosage of 1 to 2 grams of raw ginseng root or 200 to 400 mg of extract are suggested. It's best to start with lower doses and increase over time. Look for a standard ginseng extract that contains 2 to 3% total ginsenosides and consume it before meals to increase absorption and get the full benefits. So in summary, ginseng can be eaten raw, made into tea, or added to various dishes. It can also be consumed as powder, capsule, or oil. Now, safety and potential side effects. According to research, ginseng appears to be safe and should not produce any serious adverse effect. However, people taking ginseng medication should monitor their blood sugar levels closely when using ginseng to ensure these levels do not go too low. Additionally, ginseng may reduce the effectiveness of anticoagulant drugs. For these reasons, talk to your doctor before supplementing with it. Note that due to the lack of safety studies, ginseng is not recommended for children or women who are pregnant or breastfeeding. Lastly, there is evidence suggesting that the extended use of ginseng could decrease its effectiveness in the body. To maximize this benefit, you should take ginseng in 2 to 3 week cycles with a 1 or 2 weeks break in between. Now, this is where we end today's episode on Health Zone. Please like, share, comment. I know you enjoyed this section. Make sure you share to your friends and hit the notification button so that you'll be notified anytime we make a post. Thanks for watching.